Good morning. This is Mark Henninger from Sound+Vision, and I am here at the Florida International Audio Expo 2025. And this show has a high-fidelity automotive element to it, which makes it kind of unique among the audio shows that I attend. It's pretty significant, and not only is it significant, it is contextually accurate, because these systems are not boom and bass systems. These are not SPL competition systems. These are car stereo systems that are optimized to appeal to audiophiles. That can literally mean speakers that are custom aligned and installed and DSP processed to put the sound field right in front of the driver, like you would expect from a home system, or utilizing a center channel. Some of these systems put the vocals right in the middle so that both passengers can enjoy a proper listening experience. All right, we're gonna come in here to this Cadillac. This is an interesting install because it preserves the factory nature of it. Hello.
Hey Mark, how you doing this morning?
Awesome, how are you?
Good.
Day 3 of the show, and it's nice and sunny out, proper Florida weather now.
Yeah, we're in short sleeves.
Right on.
Started out in coats and hoodies.
Yep. All right, so what we have here, we want to basically inform the audience of what you've done to this Cadillac.
All right, y'all come back here.
All right.
Well, I'm Wayne Barron out of Montgomery, Alabama, and I've been an IASCA car audio competitor for a few years. Back in 1995, I won the World Finals with a little BMW I had.
Right
Took
on.
a 30-year break.
Okay.
And come back last year and said, okay, I'm gonna try this again. So I'm excited about doing this.
Man, I remember how the 90s was for car audio.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was peaking.
But this is a 2023 Cadillac XD5, and first thing you see, of course, is the two big 15-inch subwoofers back here. They're wired in parallel. Each sub gets 600 watts. I got an 1800 watt amplifier that powers these. It's a 4 cubic foot box, and down the middle it's split, so these two subs get 2 cubic feet of air to do their thing. And everybody says, well, the seals are inverted. Well, that's because these drivers, they push backwards instead of forward, because forward it's in that sealed box. But when I built this car, I wanted to have a vehicle that I could use.
Sure.
If I need the grocery store, go throw something in it. So what you see here is these beauty panels, I call them. They come out. Underneath the beauty panels is the main system.
All right, so practical high performance with that aesthetic, that lifestyle, like conscious people demand, right?
Oh, absolutely.
All right.
And then there are 3 ARC Audio Signature Series amplifiers in the vehicle. The front amplifier goes up to the tweeters in the mid-range.
Okay.
Each speaker, there's 4 of course, each speaker gets 200 watts of power.
Right on.
The right speaker is the same as this far left speaker. It powers the mid-bass and the sub-bass. It's a 800 watt amp. So the mid-bass speakers get 200 watts split between the two of them. And the front sub, I'm gonna show you here in a second, it gets 400 watts at 2 ohms, wired in series.
All right, and you get to break all that up and DSP tweak it so you get that mix just right.
Actually, this is the PS Pro DSP,
okay,
which is the, I call it the brains of the system. Before, in the olden days, you had these little slides and these little dials, and you just tweak them, and sometimes you just breathe on them just a little bit to get them to do certain things.
Right.
Nowadays, you can do all this from a laptop. You need to make changes. You may be a tuner. We'll use maybe you, and you can tune it. I'll set it under your name. This is Mark's tune. This is so-and-so's tune. So I can have several different tunes in the car. Depends on where I go. I may know a judge that likes it a little bit heavy on the bass or a little lighter on the bass. I can have a tune set in that system already. And they're using what they call the ARC Audio DNA system. That works all these DSPs so that you're able to tweak these cars the way they want to tweak.
Very nice.
And of course, this big middle amp here,
that's what that's for.
Yeah.
I hear you. Yeah, because that's the thing with cars, is it's a challenging space, but it is also a predictable and static space. So if you work through those challenges, the result is consistent. And that's what I find fascinating about cabins.
Let me show you this front sub I was talking about.
Sounds great,
just
yeah.
a second here.
Come on over.
we're working around some guys getting in and out of cars.
Right.
This is it's not really a novelty. It's something they discovered a couple years ago. That's a 10-inch ARC audio sub that fires forward into the firewall of the car, and the box is about 0.55 cubic foot. It's a very small box, but that's and that sub, it's designed for that smaller box, so it really works. But all the imaging from the vehicle sounds like it comes from almost the windshield wipers in this car. It's a very simple install. 1-inch tweeter, 3-inch mid-range. They're both in the factory locations. And then there's a 6x9 mid-bass driver here in the door. And that's, other than the 2 subs in the back, that's it. That's how it's set up.
Right. Up front, you really can't tell at all. Right? As soon as you put that up, it just looks like a factory install for sure.
Roger.
Yeah. Can I take a quick listen?
Yes, sir.
Oh, awesome.
I'm gonna set you up here and put you in the driver's seat.
Okay, very nice.
We'll take a quick listen here real quick. I'm gonna put you to work when you get in the car.
All right. It's a nice ride.
If you would for me, pull all the windows up. We're gonna sit here and bake now.
Sure. Gotta have that noise floor nice and low.
Yes.
So keep that air conditioner on. Yeah, it's really nice. It's like sitting at home and, you know, you're not doing the audio file one seat, then you're just sitting on the couch relaxing, and then the music's coming, from the right place.
Right. Well, and we all spend a lot of time in our cars.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know how your traffic is where you live, but every now and then we have big traffic jams.
I live in Philly, but yeah, when I came here to Tampa, as soon as I got out there at the airport, I was like, wow, you guys have a lot of cars. Yeah, I heard. So yeah, I agree, and it should be a pleasant experience because, why make car be torture?
Right.
And nothing relaxes you like good music. Right?
This is one of the standard tracks that we play for in our car shows. We have our own list, and this is for Mick at the Tampa show here.
Right.
And these are the songs that he said that he wants to play. One of my favorite tracks is this Hey Laura song.
Okay. Hey Laura, it's me. Sorry, but I had to ring your doorbell so late.
Yeah.
There's something
That
about
vocal in the center is really solid and properly thick.
Yep.
I really am sorry, but it just couldn't wait.
Very nice.
Is there someone else
and we are turning
instead
to
of
Sonic
me?
here. Let's get out. That sounds fantastic.
All right.
Go ahead and lie to me and
Yep, it does get warm. If you wouldn't mind, push all them windows down.
Absolutely.
Because I try to get the air in here.
you're not
Yep.
in love with him and
All right, impressive. Thank you for that
Mark,
tour.
all right, thank you for coming by.
that the rivers of your love flow up.